dear students, I hope meridians of longitude and time concept, time zone, all things is clear. So today's topic we have IDL, that means International Date Line. So what is this? In this entire session we are going to discuss. So International Date Line, like 0-degree meridian, is timeline to decide, to compare time across the globe. Likewise 180-degree, if this is a 0-degree meridian, because of meridians is a semicircle, to cater to the full circle we have 180-degree, which is here, from here. But it is not a curve or a straight line, it is a zigzag line. Why zigzag line? Because when it comes to decide international date line, there is a problem to decide international date line because of there are so many land bodies and islands falls under and cross this line. So the solution found that the line should be zigzag. That's why there is a zigzag line. Look at this in this map, also in this globe also. From this side we have opposite things. From right hand side we have west and left hand side we have east. But 0-degree meridian, when it comes to sea, it is east right hand side and west in left hand side. So keep it mind to show globe like that in international date line. So now we are going to discuss. Here is the Bering Strait and Aleutian Island here. Okay. So this Bering Strait, this international date line cross Bering Strait and Aleutian Island, and this is zigzag line. This is the Tonga Island and Samoa Islands. These all are false. Because of these islands and these parts of land body, this line false, this line draw zigzag. Okay. So there is a concept. The concept is that 180-degree westward side, old days, and eastward side, new days. While we traveling east to west, losses 1 day. Okay, and while we traveling west to east, gains 1 day. This is the time concept. Okay, so let's explain more. Suppose this is the our earth and this is the meridian. Here I am writing east and west right here, but what's in your mind. So east and west we have, and this is 180-degree. For your understanding, it is a straight here, but like that it is. So from here, if we travel from where? West to east, we gain 1 day. Okay. So in west, if 28th December, if west 26th of May, in the east direction, when you cross this international date line, after 179 east, we have what? 27th of May. Okay? Is it clear? Like that, if today what? Wednesday. When you cross this line 180 degree and reach 179 east, we have what? Date 28, 27. One day more. That means Thursday. Okay? Is it clear? Like that in a time. So you have already known to complete the circle, semicircle, 135 degree. We have 180 minus 135. That means 35 degree west to complete this circle. So like that, 12 hour difference between semicircle to semicircle, which makes one complete circle. Like 135 degree east, here 5 p.m., here 5 a.m. 135 degrees 11 p.m. and here 45 degree east, we have 11 a.m. Okay? So this is all about time concept. I think you easily understand all the things about time concept. Okay? So next topic will be great circle and a small circle. So this is great circle and a small circle. We are going to discuss great circle and a small circle. You very much know in a sphere we have so many circle of different shape. Like this is a sphere. And to make this a sphere we have so many what? Circle. Like this is the circle. This is the circle bigger than this, and this is the small circle. Like that to make this complete circle. So how many times we can cut this earth into two halves, equal halves? The answer is it is infinite. It can be infinite. But in your syllabus, this is 3 type. Equator, expect equator or the latitude are what? Are smaller circles. But when it's come to talking about meridians of longitude make complete circle. It is what? How many? We have 180 almost meridians to make a complete circle. So we have 180 halves of the earth. Okay? Equal halves. So, and the great circle, like that. We can also divide great circle in terms of electrical way, in terms of magnetic pole, in terms of geomagnetic pole, like that. This is not in your syllabus. But what is the use of this circle? Great circle and a small circle. Look at this. If you make the greater circle here and the equator or anywhere, we have shortest distance from the earth in a great circle. Okay? And when you go in a smaller circle, it is a longer circle, bigger circle. Okay? So in a navigation and in a air traveling, in a air traveling, we have what? We would like to use greater circle because to save our fuel and save our time. Okay? But on land it is not possible because so many hurdles we have. Somewhere it is river, somewhere it is hills, plateau, and like that a structure. So it is not possible. So online we have to go what? In a smaller circle or any paths, any other parts. But the use of the greater circle is that. Okay? So it is used in circumnavigation, navigation, air, traveling. Okay? This is it. Thank you so much. And in my mind, this chapter has been finished. So I hope you will